Welcome to IT Vision Enterprises Solution to Past Question in BECE Mathematics, Section A Objectives, Year 2004, Questions 1 to 20. I am Lawrence Danso-Amoako, alias Kapiri Imposi. I am going to be your facilitator.
April 2004, Mathematics, Section A, Objective Test, Duration 1 hour. Question 1. If the set A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the set B equals 2, 4, and 6, find the number of members in the set A union B. We shall first write down A union B. A quick way of writing down A union B is to write down all the elements present in A and combine them with the elements in B, writing down each element only once. That is, A union B equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 is already here. 4 is already here. So 6. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements in A union B. So the answer is B. Question 2. How many faces has a cuboid? A cuboid has 6 faces. So the answer is D. Now, this is the diagram of a cuboid. Question 3. Evaluate 0.036 divided by 0.02. That is 0.036 divided by 0.02. We shall convert the numerator and denominator into whole numbers by multiplying the numerator by 1000 and dividing by 1000. The numerator will be 36 divided by 20. 2 goes here 10, 2 goes here 18. 18 divided by 10 equals 1.8. So the answer is C.
Question 4. The angle formed by one complete revolution is equivalent to. The answer is D. One complete revolution is 360 degrees. And 4 right angles equals to 4 times 90 degrees, which equals to 360.
Question 5. If the set P equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which of the following statement best describes P? A. Set of whole numbers up to 6. B. Set of counting numbers less than 6. C. Set of counting numbers greater than 6. D. Set of integers less than 6. The answer is B. Question 6. Which of the following numbers is the next prime number greater than 23? A prime number is a number divisible by only itself and 1. So the answer is D. Question 7. Simplify minus 35 minus into brackets minus 15 plus into brackets minus 30. That is minus 35 minus into brackets minus 15 plus into brackets minus 30. This equals to minus 35 minus will give us plus, so plus 15 minus 30, or minus 20 minus 30, which equals to minus 50. So the answer is C. Question 8. Write 78,910 correct to the nearest thousand. The answer is C. Question 9. Simplify 2 raised to the power 10 times 3 raised to the power 2, or divided by 3 raised to the power 6 times 2 raised to the power 8. This is equivalent to 2 raised to the power 8 times 2 raised to the power 2. When we add up the indices 2 and then 8, we shall get 10 times 3 squared divided by, this can be written as 3 raised to the power 4 times 3 raised to the power 2. When we add up the indices, we shall get 6 times 2 raised to the power 8. 2 raised to the power 8 will cancel 2 raised to the power 8. 3 squared will cancel 3 squared. So we shall be left with 2 squared divided by 3 raised to the power 4. So the answer is A. Question 10. Which of the following inequalities is represented on the normal line below? The answer is D. S lies between -2 and 3. Take note that the shaded small circle over here shows that S can be equal to 3. So the equal to sign over here. And take note that the empty small circle over here is an indication that S cannot be equal to -2, and therefore the less than sign over here. Question 11. Factorize completely the expression 4sy minus 16s plus 10y minus 40. That is, we are to factorize 4sy minus 16s plus 10y minus 40. 4s is a common factor to the first two items, so 4s, y over here, and then 4 over here. Then 10 is a common factor to the last two items, so 10 over here, y, and then 4. Now y minus 4 is now a common factor for the two expressions, so we shall take out y minus 4, then 4s, then plus 10. So the answer is B. Question 12. What is the image of 2 in the mapping S map into 2s plus 5? 2 will map into 2 times 2 plus 5, or 2 maps into 4 plus 5, which equals to 9. So the answer is B. Question 13. Simplify 3a squared b cubed times 4a cubed b. That is 3a squared b cubed times 4a cubed b. We shall multiply the figures. 3 times 4 is 12. We shall multiply the a's. We shall add up their indices. So it's e raised to the power 5. We shall multiply the b's. We shall add up their indices. So it's b raised to the power 4. So the answer is A. Question 14. Find the solution set of 2s plus 1 is less than 5 in the domain -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 2s plus 1 is less than 5, or 2s is less than 5 minus 1, or 2s is less than 4. Dividing 2 by 2 shall get s is less than 2. Now, in the domain minus 1, 0, and 1 are less than 2. So the answer is B. Question 15. Find the highest common factor HCF of 48, 60, and 96. We shall first find the product of the prime factors of 48, and then 60, and then 96. So 48. 2 goes here 24, 2 goes here 12, 2 goes here 6, 2 goes here 3, 3 goes here 1. So the product of the prime factors of 48 equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now the product of the prime factors of 60. 2 goes here 30, 2 goes here 15, 3 goes here 5, 5 goes here 1. So the product of the prime factors of 60 equals to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Now for 96, 2 goes here 48, 2 goes here 24, 2 goes here 12, 2 goes here 6, 2 goes here 3, 3 goes here 1. So the product of the prime factors of 96 equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now the HCF equals to 2, 2, 2. 2 is common to all the 3, so 2. Then another 2, 2, 2 times 2. Then 3, 3, 3 times 3. So the HCF equals to 4 times 3, that is 12. So the answer is A. Question 16. Set P equals odd numbers between 20 and 30, and Q equals 23 and 29. Which of the following statement is true? Set P, odd numbers between 20 and 30, equals to 21, 23, 25, 27, and then 29. And then Q equals to 23 and then 29. Now A, P is a subset of Q. P cannot be a subset of Q, so A is wrong. P equals to Q. P cannot be equal to Q, so C is wrong. P intersection Q equals a null set. This is also false. The right answer is Q is a subset of P. That is 23 and 29 are contained in P. Question 17. Find the rule of the mapping. S maps into Y, 0 into -1, 1 into 1, 2 into 3, 3 into 5, 4 into 7. Take note that when we multiply 2 by 1, we shall get 2. When we multiply 2 by 2, we shall get 4. When we multiply 2 by 3, 6, and then 2 by 4, 8. And when we subtract 1 from each one of them, we shall get 1, 3, 5, 7, which is equivalent to the series over here. So the mapping is multiplying S over here by 2 and then subtracting 1, which equals to Y. So the answer is B. If, however, you are not able to find any clue, then you can go by the method of testing. We shall use the method of testing to solve this problem. We shall test with S equals to 0. For y in A, y is going to be equal to 0 plus 1, which equals to 1. For y in B, y is going to be equal to 0 minus 1, which equals to minus 1. And y in C is going to be equal to 0 minus 1, which equals to minus 1. And y in D is going to be equal to 0 plus 1, which equals to 1. Since 0 maps into minus 1, A and D are wrong. So we shall consider B and C. Now we shall test with S equals to 1. For B, y equals to 2 times 1 minus 1, which equals to 1. For C, y equals to 1 minus 1, which equals to 0. Since 1 maps into 1, B is the right answer. C is wrong. Question 18. If A equals 2 on 4 and B equals to minus 3 on 2, find 2A minus B. 2A, A equals to 2 on 4 minus B. B equals to minus 3 on 2. This equals to, we shall multiply 2 by 2 for the first item. So we shall get 4 on 8 minus 3 on 2, which equals to, for the S component, 4 minus 3, and for the Y component, 8 minus 2. This equals to 4 plus 3 over here, and then 6 over here, or 7 on 6. So the answer is B. Question 19. Find the value of S in the polygon below. We shall sum the angles in the polygon below, and the sum is going to be equal to S plus 4S plus 2S plus 3S plus 5S, which equals to 15S. But we know that the sum of angles in the polygon of size n is given by A to be equal to 180 times n minus 2. N equals to 5 in the case shown. So 5 minus 2, 180 times 3, which equals to 540. So 15S equals to 540. Therefore, S is going to be equal to 540 divided by 15. 3 goes here, 3 goes here, 108. 3 goes here, 1, 3 goes here, 36. So the answer is 36 degrees. That is B. Question 20. An article costs 60,000 cedis. The price was increased by 10%. Find the new price. 10% of 60,000 is going to be 10 over 100 times 60,000. Zeros will cancel out, and we shall be left with 6,000. So the new price is going to be equal to the original price, that's 60,000 plus 6,000. This is 66,000. So the answer is C.